Hey everyone, Robin from Autogeek coming to you from the Autogeek showroom at Palm City, Florida. And today we're going to talk about Pinnacle Black Label Diamond Paint Coating. This is one of the most simple paint coatings to use. It is a nano-glass ceramic coating. This product has extreme gloss and extreme hydrophobics, meaning that the water just beads right off your vehicle and almost has like a self-washing effect because that bead encapsulates the dirt and any grime that's on your vehicle too. You can use this product on any painted surfaces. First and foremost, you want to make sure that it's extremely cool, clean, and you can go ahead and polish. We prefer that you would use the Pinnacle Black Label Polishing Cleanser to get off any contamination and any other waxes or materials that were left behind. Once that surface is super clean, it's pretty simple. You just spray it on direct and then wipe it off with a microfiber. However, my preferred application is to spray onto a pad, and then you can kind of control the areas to which you're applying. So you spray this onto the applicator pad, come back behind with a microfiber and wipe down. And those painted surfaces will be protected against UVs, contamination that's in the air, any road salts, pollutants, and it gives you up to 3 years protection and coverage on that. And not only do you get up to 3 years protection with this bottle, but the way that this fine mist comes out, it's atomized, and you can get up to 5 applications with just this 4-ounce bottle. And it's really just about how you maintain your vehicle. But again, it's the simplest coating out there to use. Spray on and wipe off. If you want more information on Pinnacle Black Label products, you can visit autogeek.com.